friends, welcome to our next tutorial on AndroIndian. So in this tutorial we will concentrate on manual testing next tutorial, that is waterfall model. So what is waterfall model and how this life cycle we'll see in detail. So first of all, waterfall model is nothing but for this there is some concepts we need to discuss, that is software bidding. So software bidding, what is software bidding? So software bidding is a proposal to develop a new application is called software bidding. Like one of client need one application, so that as a software company we need some bid, means some budget and all. So that is we can say as a software bidding. So if a proposal comes to the customer point you, then we can say as the software project bidding. This is. So if company will study needs and market developed software is called as a software product bidding. So this is a software bidding. Once the software bidding is happened, then project will start. Just I will show you the life cycle of this in my website. So how this software waterfall model life cycle will come, we will see in detail of this. Here see, first customer. As a customer, someone has requested a project. So then some of the IT companies will give a software bidding. So that is we can say as a proposal to develop a new software. So it is a project or product. Then company CEO or company heads kickstart the meeting of that. So first they start the meeting, and in that meeting they can select first project manager, then discuss overall plan. So project or the product intimation note, it's a complete note. Then after that business analyst will involve. So business analyst, what he will do is he will gather all the requirements, and then system analyst will come. So that system analyst analyzes the data and the detailed planning. He will analyze that and will do this. Then it goes to technical architecture. Technical architecture, what he will do is he will design the architecture. Then it goes to programmers. Then programmers will code the coding. Then after that it will goes to testing team. Then on-site team or few programmers, they will test. Then it goes for release. So then release as maintenance. Then it goes to support. So this is the basic structure of waterfall model. So in this, the above waterfall model is called as a linear sequential model. When requirements are clear, organization can follow waterfall model. So as I explained this above one by one, see here from the above diagram, first software bidding will done between the company CEO and customer client. Then after that bidding, CEO will connect meeting. Then manager will take the company called as kickoff meeting. Then in that meeting CEO make announcements of the project to handle that, means project manager be selected. Then it gives to the project intimation note. Then project manager will assign a work to the business analyst to gather all the requirements from the customer. Then business analyst will submit all the gathered requirement to the system analyst. So that design in order to the analyst detail planning, which is goes to submit the project manager. The project manager will approve the planning and done by the software analyst. Then the software analyst submit this document to the technical architect. Then designers will do the design consist of all the flows and everything. Then based on that, design programmers will code this, corresponding programmers will be developed the code. Then the testing team will involve and testing team will gather the requirements and testing team will announce. Then change of the controls. Then this is as finally it goes to support mode. So This is the way normally it happens. Then what are the advantages of this waterfall model? See, here are some of the advantages of waterfall model. If the waterfall model is the advantages, the main strength of waterfall model is its simplicity and very easy to use, and output generated at the end of each phase is reviewed and approved. Hence, it is a high visibility and minimal resources are required. It has less expensive and minimal resources are required. This model is preferred for smaller projects where requirements are clear. Time spent early on making sure the requirements and design absolutely correct saves much time and effort. Then some disadvantages also there with this model. So what are the disadvantages is it is a difficult to implement any changes in the requirement. Means it's a fixed requirement. Whenever any requirement are changed, it will difficult, and no working software is produced until the last stage of the life cycle. Means we cannot provide anything to client. It is expensive. It is expensive in incorporate any changes once the project has testing stage. So no any new changes expected, it will be the use cost and not suitable for the complex projects and long tests. Not suitable to the requirement is not clear. So these are the disadvantages of this waterfall model. So we'll come with the next tutorial with the next model. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.